Max, I want to play with the car. Max, I want to play with the car. No, I'm playing with the car right now. No, I'm playing with the car right now. Dad, Max is teasing me again. Dad, Max is teasing me again. What happened? What happened? Lisa wants to play with my things. Lisa wants to play with my things. Yeah, it's my turn now. Yeah, it's my turn now. No, that's my toy. No, that's my toy. Max, I'm serious. Max, I'm serious. Dad, Lisa is bothering me. Dad, Lisa is bothering me. Children, please stop fighting. Children, please stop fighting. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. Yes, you are. You're not letting me play with the car. Yes, you are. You're not letting me play with the car. But this is my car. But this is my car. I let you play with my toys, Max. I let you play with my toys, Max. Leave me alone, Lisa. Leave me alone, Lisa. Dad, Max is being selfish. Dad, Max is being selfish. Children, please share the toys. Children, please share the toys. We don't have so many things. You have to share the car. We don't have so many things. You have to share the car. Can I have my own car, Dad? Can I have my own car, Dad? I want new stuff too. I want new stuff too. I will ask your mother. I will ask your mother. Do you like our stories? Then get our free ebook. You can find the link in the video description below. Do you like our stories? Then get our free ebook. You can find the link in the video description below. Hello, darling. How are you? Hello, darling. How are you? I'm fine. And you, darling? I'm fine. And you, darling? Sorry to bother you. I need to ask you something. Sorry to bother you. I need to ask you something. Of course. Go ahead and ask. Of course. Go ahead and ask. The kids want new toys. The kids want new toys. Can we afford it? Can we afford it? Money is a little tight this month. Money is a little tight this month. But the children are already arguing. But the children are already arguing. They need more toys. They need more toys. Next month we can buy new things. Next month we can buy new things. The children won't like that. The children won't like that. They'll survive. They'll survive. We didn't have much as kids either. We didn't have much as kids either. But we were still happy. But we were still happy. What did you do when you were a kid? What did you do when you were a kid? We played outside. We played outside. We were almost never home. We were almost never home. I have an idea. I have an idea. Very good. Very good. I will surprise the children. I will surprise the children. Thanks for the help, darling. Thanks for the help, darling. You're very welcome, my darling. You're very welcome, my darling. Hello, kids. Hello, kids. Do we get new things, Dad? Do we get new things, Dad? I want a new car. I want a new car. I have a better idea. I have a better idea. Please come along. Please come along. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Me too. Me too. What are we doing here, Dad? What are we doing here, Dad? I thought we were buying new toys. I thought we were buying new toys. We can't afford that right now. We can't afford that right now. I'm sorry, kids. I'm sorry, kids. But we are in the forest. But we are in the forest. Everything here is full of toys. Everything here is full of toys. There are branches, trees, and stones. There are branches, trees, and stones. We can make a campfire. We can make a campfire. A few hours later. A few hours later. This is much better than toys. Thanks, Dad. This is much better than toys. Thanks, Dad. I love it. I love it. What do the children want? A. Ice cream. B. More toys. C. To go swimming. Leave a comment below. What do the children want? A. Ice cream. B. More toys. C. To go swimming. Leave a comment below.